Octavian sees an event and reveals historic territory, which is quite unfortunate. I was hoping that's not gonna happen. So we can bid quite a lot for this and probably get it, but we lose 7 military. So this means that we're gonna take 7 less points from Octavian and gain 7 less points. So this historic territory is only worth 4 points for us, which means that we're probably gonna pass. I mean, it's 4 points. Yeah, and versus Octavian, it's actually -3 points. So I think Bergen is gonna get a very easy historic territory out of this. Unfortunately, I really hope it's gonna wait a while longer, or that popularization of science shows up while we still have, although it's too late for that. Not ideal at all. Thankfully, Bergen doesn't have that many military, so he's gonna lose a unit, rebuild it, and we should be able to declare a war on him. And we just need these air forces to get another 10 military against him. So hopefully we're gonna get these points from Bergen just by attacking him. Yeah, so I'm gonna pass on this. Oh wow, Octavian bid 16 on this, and Bergen bid 17. So he's gonna sacrifice more than 1 unit. What did I miss? Yeah, I definitely missed something here. Okay, let's see what Bergen does with this.
Bergen sends 3 different units, wow, and goes down to 15 strength. He also discards a card, that's good to remember. Octavian is next, increases pop, builds an arena, destroys a lab, and builds a theater, then picks up tanks. Wow, so he did not do anything about his military strength, which means that we're getting 34 points. Bergen sees an event and reveals the other colony. Oh gosh, what misfortune. So we can effectively lose 7 points and 14 points on top of Octavian. And so right now we're going to 79 and he is going down to 64. I think we need every point we can get. And honestly, if the others are bidding for this, I'm fine. Let's see. For Bergen, yeah, he has the science he needs. And if Octavian bids on this, we're getting more points. I mean, if he bids even a single soldier, a single rifleman, that's another 4 points we're getting. So I'm probably gonna skip on this. As much as I would like the, yeah, the meeples don't help us this much, the blue tokens don't help us, it's just the science. And as much as I would love to have another 5 science, especially with Alfred Nobel going away, I think I'm just gonna have to skip on this. And Bergen wins the colony. Okay, so good for him, but he has 3 military actions, and then next turn another 3 military actions. So he has 6 military actions and 22 strength to rebuild his military, because I'm probably going to declare a war on him, right? So I'm really curious to see how he spends his next few turns, because his military plummets. He could he could rebuild it. We'll see. But next turn we're probably declaring a war on him and then building an airplane going up to 61. So I suspect it might be overly greedy, but we'll find out. Do we have any? We do have a plunder. We could try to plunder him. I don't think it's worth it. I think we're just going to declare the war. But we'll see. So there is still a popularization of science. I think at this point there's a good chance I'll be second. But let's see if we can be first by getting a good war on Bergen. Yeah, there's still I think there's still 3 more turns for this game. Bergen wins the colony, just sends a swordsman, picks up modern infantry, builds it, increases population twice, and then upgrades to defensive army. So he's a 21 military. We're next. War resolves, and it looks like Octavian sacrificed a unit, so we only got 28 points, which is decent, but we're still last. Not for now, but by the end of this turn. So I think we're going to have to declare war on Bergen. But before we do that, let's see how much military we can get. We can break down these Bergen circuses, pop this, and build a airplane, and we're at 60, which is quite good. How high can Bergen get? He can upgrade this for it's gonna cost him four stones, and he's gonna get 9, so he'll be at 30, and then he can build a cannon, I guess, and he will be at 33. So it will give us 27 points. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the way to go. So let's declare this war on Bergen. I don't want to declare it on Octavian, because if he concedes, I'm going to be last. I'm going to be second, and if I win versus Bergen, you know what, maybe we should target Octavian. Let's see. I mean, there's a decent chance we're going to get another war. There's 5 more in the deck. And even if we don't, there's 4 armed intervention. So I want to draw military cards. And Bergen, yeah, we're going to keep this advantage on him. So we're going to break this down. We're going to build some airplanes. And then, I don't think Nobel is going to go in next turn. So if we take Einstein and wait with these technologies, then next turn we elect Einstein and then discover both of these. We have exactly enough science, and we're going to get 10 points. So this seems like a good course of action. And then no point getting democracy, no point getting Hollywood. Let's pick some yellow cards. We should pick military theory so that Bergen doesn't have it. Yes. And then 2 actions left. I think either reserves or patriotism. I'm almost sure we have the military actions, the civil actions. So maybe reserve is the way to go. Yeah, and if we pick the patriotism, then Bergen might get the reserves. Yeah, so we're going to take the reserves. Pretty straightforward. Let's double check Bergen again. I mean, worst case scenario, he can upgrade and build another soldier if there is some sort of ore boost. So that's going to give him 3 plus 6, that's 9, plus 5, that's 14. He goes up to 35. And I really think that's the best case scenario. So let's do this, and let's try another war. Oh, peace treaty. What? Okay. So next turn, we're either going to plunder someone, or we're going to cede this impact of strength. Balance, bad idea. Strength, give us some points. Happiness, bad idea. Wonders, bad idea. We could offer a peace treaty to someone, but could we annex? Could we annex anything of use? We could annex the historic territory, get 2 happy faces, and that's gonna make impact of happiness better for us over Bergen. Or we could just see the impact of strength. yeah, that's good. That might be what happens. Really unfortunate we didn't draw any meaningful aggressions. The International Red Cross in the deck. So it's a good thing we took these reserves, because that's going to give us a blip. And yeah, this is a tough game. Like, we're at 81, Octavian is going to be at 86, Bergen is 102. I think we're going to get no, it's going to be less than 30 points. Oh, it's the War of Culture, so it's +5. Yeah, so it's 3 plus 6, that's 9, plus 3, that's 12, is it 33, 27 plus 5, 32. 32, so we're still in the weeds, and we're out of aggressions. Does Plunder help us? Plunder too, probably not. Yeah, this game is not over yet, and I'm not even sure we're second. I wonder whether we should have gone for the safe option, declared war on Octavian, and guarantee our second place. Of course, from a metagame perspective, we just need second place to advance. Yeah, but we want to win. We don't want to metagame, we just want to win the game.